truck in the background. But yeah, hopefully that thing's still here. And there you have it, guys. Rolling up. One. Oh, God. Okay. Found it. It's missing one wheel, which is nice inside the back. So I got all 4 wheels. Just need that tow hook cover. It's here. How they put these things so close together. What is this? I want some new rotors. See if you can find the tow hook cover. Probably gonna use something to lift it up to grab the skirts off. But not bad. Time to get to work. Okay. All the wheels are off. They're in decent shape. The only one that's messed up was the one that was off the car, was in the back seat. It is bent right here, so that'll have to be fixed for sale. Because I don't need any of these things. I think I have like 5 sets of AMG monoblocks now, maybe even more. Need to start getting rid of them onto the body kit. I don't know if this nice. It's not on the skirt. Sweet, that's a first. So I don't even have to jack this whole car up. I was gonna get an A-frame to lift it up, but that's not necessary anymore. And just like that, the kit's removed. It's missing the front right or driver's side, well, it'd be front left to be honest. Driver's side tow cover, unfortunately. Searched it in the car, couldn't find it. Did get the wheels off and the body kit clearly. I wasted like half hour looking for an 8mm that I have no idea what I did with. Took it off, or took it out of the tool bag. Thought I put it back, but I can't find it anywhere. So, this is what it is. I want to get these off for the diesel though. So that's the last thing, but I think they're 8s. They might be 7, so who knows. Long walk to the register. All right, guys. I don't even know if whatever. Got everything for relatively cheap. The guy ended up only charging me for a bumper or 2 bumpers and wheels with no tires. I didn't want the tires anyways, but I got like wheels, tires, both bumpers and side skirts for less than like what I could sell one of the harnesses for. So can't complain. At least you got an AMG body kit and wheels for free. Alright, made it back home. There's the kit. I was thinking about putting it on this thing. This probably get another video of it. I've never put anything like this on the channel, for this on the channel yet, but long story, was cleaning up a bunch of stuff, something fell in the motor and bent the valve. So I just actually replaced everything. But it is silver, so it would look nice. But I'm planning on just giving this to my sister for a while. And I have another one back here that I got for free, but it has no motoring in it. Here are the wheels. One of them says crack on it, so I'm not sure how. I'm gonna try and find a place to repair it, but that one right there, I got this for free. So I have a 606 head, and I'm probably gonna get the rods and pistons and everything else I need for my 606. I might just, basically a friend gave this to me to pull the engine out of and said I could have the car. So I was gonna keep the car, put a kit on it because it's actually a low mileage car, and see if I could reassemble a 606 and put it into it, and probably throw some of the 18-inch AMG wheels that I have on it, and put that body kit I have on it, or the body kit I just got on it, and paint the whole thing, because it's not that great. But it does have less than 100 and I think it has 102,000 or 103,000 miles on it, so it's not that bad. It's free. I got this kit for cheap, so we'll see how that goes. Just gonna clean all this stuff up and see how it looks afterwards. The paint is just horrible on it, but it really would look good on that silver one, but my sister might crash it, so I'm gonna not put it on it. And here's that wheel that I was talking about. Has a bend here, and behind the bend it says crack. I didn't see it anywhere, but I'll bring it to a place to have it inspected. Either way, I think it was a good buy. All right, and this is how it looks after they're cleaned up. This wheel was definitely redone or bought someplace else, because none of these look the same. Like, this has a polished lip and the silver's a lot brighter than these. But overall, I'm happy, can't complain. Goodbye. But yeah, thanks for watching, and have a great day.